Fine. So I think you should be able to see now. So let's take up the question. So they're asking at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to obtain a sharp image. What does it mean? Can anyone explain? Where is the screen coming into picture? And what about that sharp image? What is it?
For the image to be seen, sir, like we need a screen.
Yes, like I said, if you have a concave mirror, we can form real images, right? Concave mirror can form real images, and real images can be projected on a screen. So if you put some screen on it, it will be possible to see that image. So in all that twist of words, whatever they are twisting, they're only asking you, what is the image distance? Can you figure that out? From that sentence, they're only asking you to figure out where the image will be formed. Wherever the image is formed, that is where you will put the screen, right? So in short, they're asking the image distance B. And then also you have to calculate the height of the image. Can you all do this?
Yes, sir.
So it's a very similar question like yesterday what we did. So anyone who did a little bit of revision of yesterday's class, you should be able to solve this problem.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good. So Kavya, tell me what is the image distance B?
Minus 30 centimeter.
Okay, B is minus 30. Did you also find out the height, H dash?
Yes, sir. H dash is minus 8 centimeter.
What about other people? I have not checked this answer, so just check it out, guys.
Completed, sir.
Are you also getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'll just solve it very quickly. Let's see how you did it, whether you did the same way. So what mirror is it? It's a concave mirror, right? So let's draw the concave mirror. So Mn is the aperture, and so your pole here, you will have a focus and center of curvature. Where would the object be approximately? What position?
Image, sir.
The object.
Object is between the
C
C and F.
Yes, it is 15 centimeter and the focal length is 10. So if this is 10 over here, of course 15 will come somewhere over here in between C and F. So let's put our object here. Then what do? We take a light ray from here and throw it parallel to the principal axis. After that, it should get reflected back through the focus. What else? Where else can I get the light from?
It will also pass through the scene also.
The light which goes, the parallel light goes through focus, and then we can make another light ray which passes through the center of curvature. So of course, we will not throw the light in this direction. We will throw the light towards the mirror, but in the direction of center of curvature. So it will go like this, but after reflection, it will come back through the same path because it's the center of curvature. As you can see, it will intersect somewhere over here. That is where your image will be. So if your object was AB, this will be A dash, B dash. So this is the ray diagram. Write this. Let's give them some point of intersection, the point of incidence also on the mirror. Let's give them some names. So the point of incidence over here, let's call it as B, and this one, let's call it as E. Yeah, so what was given in the question? Focal length is given. What should I write the focal length as?
minus 10
10
centimeter.
Yes, the focal length 10, but we know that it is a concave mirror. So concave mirror has a negative focal length. So it's important to write it as minus 10, not just 10. Okay. So focal length is given as minus 10. Centimeter, of course. Then what else they have given? They have given the object distance, U. That is 15 centimeter.
Minus 15.
So again, that is 15 centimeter. And we know that object we will normally place to the left of the mirror. So this 15 centimeter will become actually minus 15 centimeter. So this is also minus 15. Now you have U and F. So very easily we can find out the V using the mirror formula. But let's write out what else is given. We have been given the object height. What is that? Object height
Plus
is
4 centimeter.
Yes, 4 centimeter. And normally nothing else. It's not given in the question that it is inverted or something. So by default, we'll consider the object to be upright like this. So this will be plus 4, not just 4. I mean negative 4. It will be plus 4 centimeters. So don't need to write a plus over there. Just write 4. So this is what is given. Very quickly use the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula?
1 by V plus 1 by U
1
is
by
equal
V
to
plus
1
1
by
by U is equal to 1 by.
Yes, everyone should remember this formula. There should be no exception. Make sure everyone remembers, okay? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So this 1 by V is what we need to find out. So let's keep it on the left side. Let's send this to the other side. So what does it become? It becomes 1 by F, or just put the values here itself, okay? 1 by U. What is U? Minus 15, right? And what is F? 1 by minus 10. Is it okay? Everyone is with me up to this step?
Yes, sir.
Midula, Tanushri, Deep, Charan, Manoj, I'm not hearing anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's keep this V over here itself. This minus 15 will make this whole thing as negative, right? So when I send it to the other side, it will become plus 1 by 15. Is that right? I can write it as 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15. Minus 15 will go become plus 15 this side. And then 1 by minus 10 will become minus of 1 by 10. So make sure everyone understands this step also. Confirm. This went to the right side. And this is what we have as minus 1 by 10. So do the calculation, fraction, addition, subtraction. This should be able to do very quickly. It should be what? Two minus 3 by 30. LCM of these two is 30, right? 15 twos are 30. So 2 we will multiply with this numerator. 2 ones will become 2 here. and 10 threes is 30. So 3 will multiply with this numerator, it will become 3 here. 2 minus 3 by 30. Everybody knows this. So it's minus 1 by 30. And then we can flip it around, do the reciprocal so that we'll get the V value. This is 1 by V. So you'll do V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay. Now, what else? We need to find out the H dash, the height of the image. So I'm going to write it. Okay, let's write it here.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, how did we get that 2 minus 3?
You see, this is just addition, subtraction. How do you normally do it? Nowadays, they teach you differently, right? How do you normally do this kind of addition, subtraction?
Cross multiplication.
See, if these two are like prime number, if they are co-prime, if they don't have any factors between them, then of course we can do cross multiplication. You'll still get the same answer. 10 minus 15 by 150. You'll still get the same answer only. It will be minus 5 by 150. You cancel it, you'll get minus 1 by 30. But these numbers are bigger. To avoid that, if you have numbers like this which have something in common, what do you normally do? You find the LCM of these two, no? Have you never done this? Like
Yes, sir.
LCM of the two? What is the LCM of 15 and 10?
30 only, sir.
So LCM of 15 and 10 will be 30, of course. So if it is 30 now, nowadays again I'm seeing that they teach you like baby steps, like 1 by 15 and 1 by 10. So what they will do? They'll ask you to multiply 2's up and then 2 in the denominator and then this 3 into this 3. So now you should write it as what? You will write it as 2 by 30 minus 3 by 30, making them like fractions. At least this you would have done, right? One by 15 and 1 by 10, you make them like fractions, however you do it. Of course, we multiply 2 with the numerator and denominator here. So this becomes 30. And same thing, 10 into 3 becomes 30. So that same 3 will have to multiply here. Nitya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is how this 2 minus 3 by 30 came over here, okay? So I did all that calculation in mind. That is what you should do. You people are in 10th standard now. So you should learn to do all this in your mind. 15 and 10, what is it called? The LCM will be 30. So I wrote that 30 here. I know that 15, how did 15 become 30? By multiplying 2 to it, no? 15 2s is 30. So that 2 I will have to multiply in the numerator itself. So 2 1s are 2. That's how I wrote this 1 2 over here. Okay. Same way to the other fraction also. This is 10 right now. How would this 10 become 30? By multiplying a 3. So if 10 3s are 30, I'll have to multiply the same 3 in the numerator also. That is how 3 into 1 became 3 in the numerator here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So practice to do it like this directly. So I'll erase all this. If you people have doubt with this method, of course, you can go through the video. I have said everything. So if you see this video a few more times, then you'll remember or you'll understand what I was saying. Okay. Yeah. So let's get into the image part. Now, I want to find out H dash. Which formula should I use? Tell me.
M is equal to H dash by H.
Yes, M is equal to H dash by H. But we only know H over here. Do you know magnification? You don't. So what's the workaround? You find the magnification, but there is another formula for magnification. No, what is that formula?
Minus V by U.
Yes. So instead of writing M, I can write it as minus of V by U is equal to H dash by H. which is what I will write like this over here. H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. We have written this formula in the previous class also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's what you will use here directly. This is also magnification, this is also magnification. Both are same. That's why I'm making them equal, because this one I know already, minus V by U. And H also I know. Only thing missing is H dash. So we can very easily find out. Okay. So what is H dash? It will be minus of V by U into H. I'm sending this H to the right hand side. Okay. So tell me, what is H dash now? What was V value? We got minus 30. So this minus you have to write separately. Be careful about this. Sometimes people miss and they will just write minus 30. So don't do that. Okay. V is separate. This V is negative. That you will write separately. This minus has to be written separately. So write that minus and then put a minus 30 inside the bracket like this. What was U? Someone tell me quickly. Don't want to scroll up. What was U,
minus
guys?
15.
Minus 15. Okay. And what was H?
4 centimeter.
4. So everybody understands this calculation?
Yes, sir.
This minus into minus will become plus. There will be only single minus remaining, one minus. So the overall answer is going to be negative. Negative how
Minus
much?
8.
Yeah, so 15 ones are, and this will go 2 times. So 2 into 4 will become 8. So H dash is nothing but 8 centimeters. Okay. Fine. Okay, guys. So when I send this PDF today, I will include some questions for you. Okay. This PDF, when I send, I'll include a couple of questions. So that questions, those questions will be your homework, which you have to complete by tomorrow. So. Okay. So that's it for today's science class. Anybody
Yes,
has
sir.
anybody has any questions?
No, sir.
All right. Okay then. See you all. Bye bye.